This shop, tucked in a basement in Seattle's Greenwood neighborhood, has created corsets for Fergie, Madonna, and Victoria's Secret. Their corsets have appeared on stage and screen. But Period Corsets had to change it up when the pandemic hit and the entertainment industry shut down.
We are making masks now. So our business changed overnight, and then we just kept adding different shapes of masks, masks with ears, ear loops, fun fabrics for kids. And then my daughter modeled a Mario mask, and that's when it just went off the hook.
Making masks kept everyone here sewing and employed through the pandemic.
It's periodcorsets.com, made in USA.
And now that the entertainment industry is back, Period Corsets is busy again, thanks to those period dramas we've all been binging.
Of course she's insane. She's Emily Dickinson.
Apple TV's Dickinson wears period corsets. Here's Hilary Specht during a fitting. They're making corsets and petticoats for HBO's The Gilded Age. Regina King wore a period corset in Netflix's revisionist western The Harder They Fall. And they made corsets and bustle pads for the Paramount Plus Yellowstone prequel, 1883.
You James Dutton? Yes, sir.
Often, their work is never seen.
You can't have a period costume and not have the right undergarment because it won't hang the same way. It won't fit the same way and it won't look right.
But sometimes their underwear becomes outerwear.
For 1883 in particular, they sent us their own fabric, and we did make 4 identical corsets. And usually when that happens, that kind of gives me a little hint that hopefully, possibly, it might show up on screen because they went through the extra effort to make it pretty. I'm keeping a watch for that corset, and hopefully it will show up. And it might be 3 seconds, but that's our 3 seconds of glory, and then we cheer and we were on TV.
That corset did make an on-screen appearance on Faith Hill. But the crew at Period Corsets is content knowing they support the arts, whether their work is seen or not.
Our big tagline is Period Corsets Undercover. Because we're giving the foundation, we're giving the shaping and the proper silhouette.